Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Arlo wire-free outdoor siren. This device only works with Arlo's home security system, so you need to have that set up first before you can do anything with this device. So I'm going to open it up. Okay, so getting into this box, we see the setup guide, okay, and then also always we have the Arlo safety and compliance information. All right. So you see the size of this thing. It looks kind of small. Take it out of the package. Alright, so you see the speaker. You see the strobe lights. And then also a PAR motion sensor. That's the back. And those are the sides. And then you can see this is kind of sloped for mounting. All right. So you got your screws and your anchors. They fit in the back, screws and anchors. And then last but not least, the two CR123A batteries are already installed. So you would basically just take this back off and then pop new batteries in. Anyways, guys, stay tuned for part 2 of this series where I cover the setup of the siren. Thank you very much.